Hello everybody, welcome back again. Is your baby girl. Thank you for tuning in again, Queen and Blessed King Harvey. Thank you for coming to my amazing, wonderful, to our amazing channel. Our amazing channel, like our amazing channel. Thank you for tuning in again. A happy new month to every one of you, and I wish you everybody a blessed and a wonderful Christmas in advance. Should I say Christmas? Happy Christmas. Okay, that one is again that they just then. Come on. So guys, as I was saying, today we have to open the package. We have to open the package. But at the same time, before opening the package, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to on the notification bell so that whenever I update, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you for coming, mommy. You know that I love you. All the supportive people that I had every one of you. Thank you for this humble beginning. You guys will remain in my heart forever. I have your name somewhere in my heart. Thank you once again. I appreciate every one of you. Today, the video we are going to be unboxing. We are going to be unboxing, or I will be doing the try on whenever I have the opportunity. Okay, but then, so this is the package here, and this is the SEPHORA box. You can see that. Yeah, I've already opened here to see what is inside. Sorry for my manners. Yeah, this is it. Look at how it was packaged. I ordered it online because going to shop this period is closed during the weekend, because during the week I can't, so I just need to order online, and it was not easy for me to get the color. I asked my godmother. She told me toffee 40 something, but I ordered color close to it, okay, so that in case it is too dark for me, in case it's too light, I can easily bright it up. So this is the bag over here. This is the bag. Let me snap some cheese. Okay, so that is the thumbnail is done, and here we have show kifai Shifa bene shirende pifuti for limited power beauty. Remember the beauty. Onya gualana. And this paper was the one we used to cover it. You guys know that this thin black and white is SEPHORA. And yet this was a gift also. This is this side. I love this carton. This carton will be used for something. And this bag here. So the first thing that I have is this Never Fake It Nars mascara. This is Never Fake It Nars mascara. Okay, so that is it. And here is Vieni clean remover makeup. This is to remove makeup. This was cutting. Now this one they remove. Wow, this Nars mascara. No. Dai, e tanto che faccio lì, stai, dopo quando ho finito puoi andare, dai, vieni, non ci vuole tanto, stai lì. So the first thing that I have is this foundation over here, and this foundation is the Lancome Paris. This is a tint Hebrew ultra wear 24 hours, and and this one I think it was about 30 something euros. So that thing, fai foto lì. Ok, fai anche questo. Okay, so that was just it. And this one is the Lancome Paris, and this one is HUDA Beauty. This very one is a HUDA Beauty. Okay, this one is a HUDA Beauty, and this one is Shinamo 440. Okay, so I'll be trying the foundation soon. Okay, so I'll be doing a video on trying on each of this foundation. This is HUDA, and the next thing that I have here is Dior. This one is Dior Backstage. This is Dior. It's called Dior Backstage. I don't know if you guys can see it, okay? Dior Backstage. So this is it. And this very one here, this is the shade 3.5. Okay, I ordered everything light so that I can mix it together with some dark foundation that I have already. And another thing is this primer here. This primer is the PORE Primer, smoothie face primer to moisturize, bellissimo, to minimize the look of pores. Sorry guys, my daughter just, this one is from Benefit, and this primer was about 30 something euro, almost 40 euro, this little primer. Let me see the magic that this Benefit pores primer. Dive. Okay, so that was just it. And we have inside here, I don't know if this was a gift or I ordered it different. I don't know. I spent 160 something or so, And this one is just Dior. This one is Dior Minimize. Dior Show Minimizer 3D Instant Volume. Calls. Okay, this one is for eyelashes. This one is a Dior eyelashes or whatever, This head is disturbing my face. And this one is just a Dior Stage Face and Body Primer. This is primer. And also this one is also a primer. Dior Face and Body Primer. Okay. This is a Universal Professional Performance Instant Radiant Blurring and Plumping Effect. Plumping Effect 24 hours hydration, visage and body. Face and body. Okay, they are both the same. Kitty mother papa. So that is just it. These are the things that we have for now. And I'll be putting everything inside this bag. This Dior here. And I just sprayed this foundation. It's not too dark for me. The thing is open already. Okay, I just sprayed. It's not too then you just pouring out. Oh, the thing is my tune. Seeing it is my tune, but I don't know if the thing will give me full coverage. But the thing is just jumping out. By rubbing it already, the thing is just as if it's jumping out. This is it. This is how it is. You can see the difference. Over here. I don't know. Is there any different? I don't really know. But I pray. If it's not working, I'll be using what they call it. I'll be using it as concealer. I saw the way people, they were like, oh, nice. I was like, I'm going to try it, So I think that is why I ordered this Dior. I didn't know. And this one is Huda Beauty. This one is Huda Beauty. Okay. Like this. I don't have anything to cut here now. This one. Oh guys, look at this. This one is too dark. Oh my god, it's too dark. I thought it's lighter, but I didn't even know that it's not. I wish I took the toffee, meaning that toffee or trophy, how they call it. Mom, is it toffee? It's toffee or trophy. I wish I took the toffee, meaning that one would be more darker. Oh, this is dark. I'll be missing it up. That is, I don't know. The scent is okay. It's dark, too dark for me. That means I'm really fair. Whoa, I didn't even know that I'm white. I'm so white. Look at my neck, the way it is, So this one and this Lancome. This is the last one to do, I believe. Oh, Lancome, please. And I'm just trying them now, and I can't return them any longer. The thing is just coming out too much excess. Let me still try it on the other side, for you to know your color on foundation, you need to try it on your neck. Everything is just dark. Oh my god, I'm gone. Everything is just dark. Can you guys see my neck? How it is? Here is my normal. They are too dark for me. They are too dark. Oh, I'm going to manage it. I'll be missing it. Whenever I'm doing the video, I'll be missing it. Okay, guys. So, that is it. Oh my god. This is why I hate to buy things online. Because you just buy the things from Sephora or and you get, once they get to you, everything is just dark. You know, maybe during the summer, it would be nice on me. Because now I'm white. I'm getting more whiter, too. Yeah, whiter, baby. So, that is it. These are ANCOME and whatever. It's okay. It's okay. Ooh. This is ANCOME is a 09. I took number. This one is 09 cookies. 09 cookies. So that is it. This is all I have inside this Sephora. All we have here is ANCOME cookies and HUDA, Dior, PORE, and Dior primer, Dior body primer, and Dior high lashes glue, and Nars mascara, and this HUDA Beauty foundation. Supposed to take the one made for white people. When I say white, whiter for them. Where is this one coming from? Where are you coming from? I think one of the 10 is not close. Okay guys, in case you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave your like the video, and at the same time, I don't know what to do with the foundation. What am I going to do? Because if you give it, in case you return it, they won't take. I don't think so. If they will take the foundation, I don't think so. What is the name? I'll be missing 2 shades. Maybe missing. I have one already, which is called Makeup Forever. I will miss the Makeup Forever plus Dior. I will just be missing foundation. I have a lot of foundation, or maybe I will order one of these HUDA Beauty again. If I want to order, I will order white one, like really white, so that whenever I'm applying the rest, I'll be using it to mix it. So that is what I will do. I will order white one from this HUDA Beauty. I will order one, or better still, for the one of ANCOME, I will order white color, real white. When I say white like the one of a Italian color. Okay, so I will order white one, like the shade is so white. And I will be using it to mix the foundation, like mixing everything together, you know. So that is just it. Thank you for watching this video. In case you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, share to the queen, so that she can easily get the idea of this foundation to buy for herself. Thank you for watching, baby. I think baby she's awake now. Let me go take care of her. Bye, lovies. Love you. Bye bye.